In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a processing fee on Square. When you accept card payments through Square, you are charged a processing fee on each transaction. Many businesses choose to pass some or all of that cost on to their customers as a separate line item, often called a processing fee, service fee, or convenience fee. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set that up inside Square, and I'll also give you a few tips so it's clear and transparent for your customers. First, sign into your Square dashboard in a web browser. You can do a lot on the mobile app, but the dashboard gives you the clearest view when you're setting up something like fees. Once you're signed in, look for the Items or Item Library section. This is where you manage everything you sell, including individual products, services, and any custom line items you might want to add, like a processing fee. Next, you're going to create a new item that represents your processing fee. Click to add a new item and give it a clear name such as card processing fee or service fee. Use something your staff will recognize quickly and your customers will understand when they see it on a receipt. In the description, you can add a short note like applied to cover card processing costs, just to keep everything transparent. Now decide how you want to charge this fee. You have two main options, a flat amount or a percentage. A flat amount works well for smaller fixed fees, like adding $1 per transaction. A percentage is better if you want the fee to scale with the size of the sale, like 3% of the total. In Square, you can set the price as a fixed amount per item, or you can leave the price variable and manually enter it at checkout based on the transaction total. Once your item is created, make sure it's available in the locations where you'll be using it, and then save your changes. From now on, whenever you're ringing up a sale, you can add this processing fee item to the cart alongside the products or services your customer is buying. Before you roll this out, check local regulations and card network rules, because some areas have restrictions on surcharges or require specific wording. It's also a good idea to let customers know about the fee in advance, either with a small sign at your checkout or a short verbal explanation, so there are no surprises.